Hello guys, for another video. In today's video I will give you 3 tips you must know if you want to create winning designs for your POD business. For the new people, my name is Sad. I upload daily videos about making money online which branch in the Mad business. So if you're interested in this field, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to see my newest videos. Also, don't forget to check my Gumroad store if you want 2D designs with tags, and of course those designs available for one person. Now let's get started. The fonts. The fonts must be attractive and has a relationship with the idea you design. You can't use fonts like this to love niche, for example. So the fonts are very important for the first impression of the customer, and recently we see the majority of designs have fonts because you can't express an idea with illustration alone. So you need to add some fonts to make the design clear. And if you work with Canva Pro, you have a ton of fonts, you can use it. And if you work with illustration and Photoshop, you can visit this website. All base fonts, they have a tons of free fonts you can use on your designs. The frame. The frame means the design must comfortable shape and you feel good when you see it. For example, like this one. The frame can be apparent or hidden, but in the both the frame must be harmonic and that help the design to be shown well. And if you work with Canva, you can add a lot of 3D frames to your designs, and if you don't, just make sure the frame are harmonic with your designs. The strokes. The strokes are very beautiful when you add it to your designs. The strokes add more beauty and splendor to the design and they make the design catch the customer attention. So I recommend to use the strokes to your designs, and I will show you a little trick to how add strokes to designs in Canva. So when you finish your designs and you upload them, upload this design again to Canva. And click at Effects. This option available only on Canva Pro, so you must have a subscription with Canva if you want to use more features like this one. Choose shadow and you can edit your strokes from here the way you want. So guys, this is the end of this video. I wish you benefit from it. If so, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you can check my Gumroad store, the link in the description, if you want to read the designs in one package with tags. Also, those designs are available for one person. And see you in the next video.